Hello students, hope you are good. Today we are going to discuss about image mapping practical in HTML5. So let's start. Let me see which type of requirements. See SOP 7. Okay, SOP means skill oriented practical number 7. Navigation on an image using client side image mapping in web page using HTML5. Now requirement: create a web page named imagemap.html with an inserted image having JPG means JPEG, PNG or GIF extension. These are extensions, right? Image file extensions. Now create three different shapes like rectangle, circle and polygon which do not overlap. Note the coordinates making use of MS Paint, GIMP, Irfan View, Pinta. So these MS Paint, GIMP, Irfan View, Pinta, these are image editing software. Okay, to get coordinates. Now next, each shape should be map or navigate with a different URL that should navigate to a local web page. Okay, locally. Okay, local URL or local web pages. So I'm going to use MS Paint, which is default available on Windows OS, right? So basic requirement is what? You should have one graphic or you should have one image. Okay, I already take one image inside my folder. See practical 7 inside practical areas. Practical 7 folder, I place one image dvmk. And how to check details? Simply click on properties and see image name is what? dvmk. File type is what? jpeg image. Okay, an extension of that this graphic is .jpg. Fine. Okay, now we require coordinates. Okay, so basic requirement is what? Requirements: note the coordinates making use of particular image editing software. I'm going to use Microsoft Paint. Okay, so see, simply click on that image, required image. Okay, open with MS Paint. Okay, so it's high resolution image, so it's displays like this. Let me zoom out. Okay, so this is the image, right? Let me select it. Which type of shapes required? Rectangle, circle and polygon. I'm going to use circle for okay, this is a entrance area, so just I draw this. Okay, now how to get coordinates? Okay, see if I draw this circle on particular area, see, note down these values at the status bar displays. See if I when I move cursor, then it shows dynamic values, and if I hold in specific area, it displays fixed values like 2737 comma 2378. Okay, basically image map is used to make clickable areas, okay, on particular image. Now how to take coordinates? Simply go to the center point of that object, okay, here, and Note it down, 2741 for circle, comma 2406. Okay, this is exact x1 y1 values. Okay, now we have to apply radius. Okay, so you can put approximate value to the radius. I'm going to add 15. Okay, so this is about circle coordinates. Now I'm going to add rectangle, sorry. Okay, in when you talk about image mapping, there are reserved words. Okay, fixed values like rect, circle, then poly for polygon, rect for rectangle. Now here rectangle, how to draw rectangle? Simply select rectangle shape. I'm going to add this area. Okay, fine. Okay, hold particular. So I'm going to get coordinates diagonally. Okay, if I take top left corner, since it simply displays like 505834 pixels. Okay, 505834 505,834 pixels. Okay, and remaining, this is top left corner, and diagonally bottom right corner shows 36171546. Again, 1546 is perfect. 3613. Okay, 3613. I'm going to change 3613. There is no problem. Okay, so these are four values. Okay, this is x1 y1, this is x2 y2. Okay, so these are four values to get complete clickable area. Now next is poly shape polygon. Again, let me scroll down this particular image and select pentagon shape from it. This is a ground area. Okay, it's playground. So I'm draw this shape over here. Okay, now how to get coordinates? Simply I put this, there are a lot of values. Okay, values 889 comma 2801, 2801. Okay, this is x1 y1. Now another point, see, we have to cover all sides for polygon shape. Okay, clockwise. Okay, so now next value 1313 3013. Okay, 1313 3013. Okay, next value is this. Here 1153 comma 3349. Okay, next 625 comma 3353. Okay, and last point, okay, 457 comma 3021. Okay, fine, we covered all values because these are 10 values. How these are 10 values? Because pentagon have 5 sides, 5 2s are 10, so these are 10 values. Okay, I'm going to minimize it, and main thing is what? The main thing is you should close this, okay, and don't save. Click on don't save because you overlap this, because you draw shapes on it, so don't save it. Okay, do not disturb original image. So this is a now I'm going to add code. Okay, notepad is a text editor, and now start exclamatory mark doc type HTML. Okay, now next thing is HTML tag after doc type declaration, HTML head, then title tag. You can put practical 7 PRACT 7 related to the image mapping, so write image mapping. Okay, clothes title. Right, after that head clothes. Next tag name is body tag. After body tag I'm going to add specific name. Okay, it's a image mapping program, so simply put image mapping, right? H1 image mapping program, right? Close H1. Then next thing is what? I'm going to add image because this is the main part, so using img tag, img src is equal to image name. Okay, you know how to insert image, using img tag. Okay, image name is what? dvmk dot jpg, right? Now when you talk about mapping, you should know about one another important attribute when you talk about client side image mapping, not only image mapping. Okay, so there is a use map attribute, so I'm going to add use map is equal to hash character. You can put specific name for it. I'm going to add Jnanadeep. Okay, I want to add again, so I'm going to copy it. Okay, in map tag, map is a pair type of tag. Map having one attribute, name is equal to, simply I put same value. Okay, now I'm going to close this map because map is a pair type of tag. Map is a container tag which contains different areas. Okay, I'm going to add area shape is equal to, you can use any one. Okay, so circle first, circle, then COORDS for coordinates, to collect coordinates. Then next is href is equal to this, and alternative text. Okay, so how many shapes required? 3 shapes, so simply I put 3 times area tag 3 times. Okay, and I want to change this. So here rect, and another shape is remaining shape is what? Polygon, poly. Okay, now here I'm going to set these values. Okay, map tag is over. Next, close body and close HTML. That's it. Let me increase font size. Okay, so this is very easy, but remember it, you have to just get coordinates is a major part. Okay, so how to get coordinates? See, open particular image into image editing software, that is Paint, and collect all the values. Okay, so simply copy these values and paste over that a particular area. Rectangle, where is the rectangle value? Again same, copies this value and paste over it. Now remain polygon shape. Okay, we required these all values, so copy it and paste it in that area. Okay, now first of all, circle, href. Okay, in requirement, see last line, each shape should be map or navigate with a different URL that should navigate to a local web page. Okay, local web page. So you can put directly file name, okay, to href. Okay, directly file name, like page 1, you can write page 1, or circle it to the entrance. So okay, you can write entrance.html or page1.html. Simply I put page1.html. okay, a rectangle 2, this is a page2.html, and poly ground playground, this is a page 3 dot, sorry, page 3 dot html. Okay, I'm going to add particular alternative text. This is the entrance. Okay, entry point, right? Now hall area, and this is a playground area. Okay, and simply I going to save this document into proper folder. Okay, desktop, information technology directory, practical area, and practical 7. So file name, which file name is required? imagemap.html. imagemap.html is extension and imagemap is a file name, right? So save it. Now I am going to execute this. Okay, ready? You can use any browser. I am going to use Google Chrome to execute the mapping program. See, I already told you about it's a high resolution graphic, so I am going to decrease zooming level. Okay, fine. See here, there is no any type of clickable area or hotspot, but if I click, if I move cursor over that particular area, see it shows hall area. Okay, if I move cursor over here for entrance, let me see what exactly. Okay, ground area is fixed. Okay, this is the ground area, this is the hall area, and now, okay, fine, let me increase this value. Okay, so this is the output, right? This is the ground. See here, page 3.html. Okay, so this is the ground area. If I place cursor, this is not a clickable area any. This having page 2 means hall area. This is all hall area, and now this is exactly page 1 means entrance. Okay, see, this is a hand shape icon, means it's a clickable area, clickable region, right? So this is about image mapping program in HTML5. Okay, that's it for this video. Remember, I'm going to increase this. um, Remember one thing, if I not get exact, I can say not get exact radius, then you should increase it up to 60. Okay, 60 value, right? It's approximate value. So that's it for this video. Hope you understand how to write code for image mapping practical. Okay, happy coding. Bye bye.